Welcome back. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that can make a big difference in your relationships. The 5 things that many women love during sex. These aren't just about physical actions. They're little things that help build connection, trust, and an amazing experience. So, whether you're looking to improve your connection or just add a little more spark, stay tuned. Let's jump in. 1. Building up with foreplay. Let's start with one of the most important aspects, foreplay. For a lot of women, foreplay is essential because it builds anticipation and emotional connection. Physical touch, gentle kisses, and even just taking time to enjoy each other can really set the tone. Think of foreplay as a way to communicate without words. It's about showing that you're present, focused on her, and genuinely enjoying every moment. This kind of attention can help her feel more comfortable, relaxed, and open to fully experiencing the moment. So, slow it down, take your time, and pay attention to the small things. Trust me, these moments can be just as memorable as anything else. 2. Communication, both verbal and nonverbal. Next up is communication, and this is a big one. Women often appreciate when you're open about what feels good and when you encourage them to share what they enjoy. Communication can be both verbal, like asking what she likes, and nonverbal, like eye contact and smiles. It's okay to say things like, "Is this good?" or "Do you like that?" It shows you care and are open to adjusting to what feels best for both of you. And on the nonverbal side, little cues like nods, smiles, or a gentle touch can say a lot. When you're both comfortable enough to communicate openly, it becomes easier to create an experience that's enjoyable for both of you. 3. Taking things slow. One thing a lot of women love is simply slowing things down. Rushing can make things feel pressured. While taking your time, lets both of you savor every moment. This means exploring different rhythms, being mindful of how she's reacting, and really staying in the present. Think of it like dancing. You're moving together, feeling the rhythm, and enjoying each other's energy. Plus, slowing down can give you both more time to connect emotionally, which often makes the physical experience even better. It's not a race. Take your time, explore, and appreciate each other. Trust me, that extra attention to detail can make a world of difference. 4. Paying attention to touch and sensitivity. Touch is incredibly powerful. For many women, it's not just about a single action, but the way you interact with her body overall. Gentle, varied touches, whether it's a light brush or a steady hand, can make her feel deeply connected and appreciated. Be mindful of her reactions and try different kinds of touch. Start light and slow and notice where she responds positively. And don't forget about sensitive areas like her neck, shoulders, or hands. These little touches can often build a stronger connection. When you pay attention to how she reacts, you're showing her that her experience matters to you, which can make every moment feel more intimate. 5. Staying present and engaged throughout. Last but definitely not least is staying present. Women love feeling that their partner is engaged and fully focused on the experience. This means being in the moment, enjoying what's happening, and being mindful of her reactions. Being present also means letting go of distractions and focusing on making each moment count. Simple things like eye contact, a genuine smile, or even a gentle laugh can help both of you stay grounded and feel more connected. When you're both fully present, the experience becomes so much more than just physical. It's about truly enjoying each other and building lasting memories. 6. Wrapping it all together, creating a memorable experience. So there you have it, 5 things that can make a big difference in your intimate moments. From foreplay to staying present. These are all ways to make sure both of you feel valued, connected, and comfortable. Remember, it's not just about any one technique or action. It's about being there for each other and making every moment count. So next time you're with your partner, Try focusing on one or two of these tips and see how they enhance your connection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you have other tips or questions. Building a strong, connected relationship is always worth the effort. So let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time with more insights. Until then, stay connected and keep exploring new ways to enjoy each other.